get to live many characters, many lives in one life that I've got. Because each time I knocked a door and I met a person, a stranger, and I'm telling him, "Hi, my name is Joe, I'm representing Hindustan Times." That gave me a different sort of a high. If you are doing something पूरे दिल से, पूरी लगन से, पूरी जुनून, आग के साथ ना, पैसा आना ही आना यार, पैसा कहाँ जाएगा? पैसा तुम्हें ढूंढ के आएगा. तो स्क्रिप्ट मिली है तो मैं बोलूँगा, देखा ठंडे दिमाग से सोचने का फायदा. So when I do that, I'm playing a role.
Today we have Joe Mohan with us, guys. Welcome to the show, bro. Welcome to What's the Vibe.
What's the Vibe is exactly what I was wanting to, meet you guys and check out what's the vibe.
What's the vibe? We called you here to find out your vibe.
And you're gonna find out our vibe. Great. Now.
So here's the thing, okay? So here's how we're doing the new intros. So I know that you're an actor. I know that you're a voiceover artist. You used to do some corporate job for a few
Yes,
years.
I used to,
okay?
yeah.
And then you took your passion seriously. And the one thing that I don't know, which I would like to know, is what's your vibe?
What's my vibe?
You get it? That's the intro, guys.
That's the intro. I love the intro. Yeah, so I used to do the corporate job, so the day job, as they say. So I did that for about 10 plus years. But all along my job, I also was, fine-tuning myself, my craft, which is to do with anchoring, hosting shows, yeah. So as an MC, as a host. But as a voiceover artist is something which started first. So at the age of, I think, 18 something in Delhi is where it started. And it was fun. And voiceovers happened very randomly. I mean, I wanted to become an actor all my life. I just wanted to be an actor.
Who inspired you to become an actor?
To become an actor?
Shah Rukh Khan.
No.
Like
no.
India में ऐसे लगता है कि you can like literally become an actor.
So I'll tell you why I wanted to become an actor.
Yeah.
So there was no person who inspired me per se, but then it was more like बचपन से ही ना हर कोई यही कहता था भाई तू क्या बन रहा है. My dad used to say, where is your focus? He wanted me to be in the armed forces because he was in the air force.
Wow.
So he said तू या तो air force पे जाएगा या तो army में जाएगा तो क्या choose कर रहा है. So that pressure was always there.
Already like.
हाँ. तो अब मैंने कोई मूवी देखी तो उसमें कोई लॉयर है तो मुझे लॉयर बनना है. फिर मैंने देखी ये फाइटर है मुझे वो बनना है. फिर देखा वो सिंगर की मूवी है तो सिंगर बनना है मुझे. एंड आई लव लाइक सिंगिंग एंड म्यूजिक एंड ऑल दैट. सो तो मुझे बहुत कुछ बनना था. तो मैंने सोचा यार बाय द टाइम आई रियलाइज आई थिंक इन माई 10th और 11th grade आई रियलाइज कि भाई ये सब कुछ तो नहीं हो सकता लाइफ में. मैं हो ही नहीं सकता. तो कोई एक चीज़ है शायद मैं बन सकता हूँ फॉर द जॉब सेक. बट अगर मुझे ये सब बनना है तो आई हैव टू चूज अ प्रोफेशन जहाँ पे मैं ये सब कर सकता हूँ.
And that was
acting.
Wow.
That I realized after watching a lot of movies. As a kid, I used to be a sucker for movies. मुझे बस टीवी चल जाए, मैं घिसी पिटी मूवी कुछ भी हो, ब्लैक एंड वाइट हो, कुछ भी हो, मैं देखता हूँ. मुझे बड़े चाव से देखता हूँ, बड़ा मजा आता है मुझे. And then I said यार मुझे ये बनना है, पुलिस ऑफिसर ये बनना है, गुंडा, रॉकी बनना है मुझे. तो मुझे सब कुछ बनना है. तो वो करते करते जो है एक चीज फिट हो गया दिमाग के अंदर भाई. एज एन एक्टर आई गेट टू लिव मेनी कैरेक्टर्स, मेनी लाइव्स इन वन लाइफ दैट आई हैव गॉट. इफ नॉट इन रियल लाइफ, ऑन रील्स, ऑन सिनेमा. Real life. So that is what became my motto of
Wow,
life.
dude, that's
I know.
awesome, man.
Wow,
You
that's
so
passion. That is.
That is passion, yeah.
That is crazy, bro. So you like were you always passionate, yeah? Just because you watch movies, like वो passion आ गया खुद. Like this is how you
नहीं,
made
I think
it happen for yourself.
वो जो एक it's a part of my personality of who I am. बचपन से मैं ऐसे ही रहा हूँ. And I am who I am as I come across as a person. On screen, off the stage, on stage, everywhere I'm the same. तो वो एक जुनून सा है हमेशा कि यार ये भी करना है वो भी करना है. I want to do a lot of things, So वो आग है एक. तो वो हमेशा से ऐसे रहा. It's a part of my being,
So you're like a hyper being.
Hyper, super hyper.
Hyper being. That's the way, bro. That's the way. Even like
super
right now,
hyper.
I'm getting into this hyper mode little bit, and I'm just like, okay, bro.
Calm down, baby, calm down. लोग मुझे कहते हैं भाई काम हो जा, ठंडा हो जा. मैं ठंडा ही तो हूँ. मुझे
मुझे गर्म होना है.
या एक लाइफ मिली है भाई, बहुत कुछ करना है. So वो वाली बात है.
Or how was that talk that you had with your dad who wanted you to become someone in the armed forces and you end up going like मेरे को तो actor बनना है.
अरे यार, that was a really really difficult conversation because so one thing I realized कि भाई जो वो कह रहे हैं वो करना तो मुझे पड़ेगा क्योंकि if I have to gain his love or respect, love तो चलो है but respect,
Yeah.
that means A, I do what he expects me to do, B, I need to earn money and not ask him. हाथ नहीं फैलाना है मुझे. मैं दुनिया के सामने हाथ फैला सकता हूँ लेकिन अपने बाप के सामने नहीं.
वाह, ये तो पूरी उल्टी साइकोलॉजी.
Yeah.
उल्टी साइकोलॉजी.
तो बाप के सामने जाके हाथ फैला.
Exactly. और ये जो चीज है ना, ये I will tell you what, I was maybe 16, 17. I realized this then that each time I have asked my father money, I'm putting myself, at a lower status. I wanted to be there where he will treat me as an adult. तो उस चीज के लिए मैंने बोला, okay, so dad, let's do one thing, let's do reality check. आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स सब नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, आर्मी फिर भी हो सकता है शायद, because I chose commerce and then in my 11th and 12th, because साइंस नहीं था तो एयरफोर्स तो out of question था, and also was navy. So he said, okay, fine. So to become an officer, you need to have a proper training and you need to crack NDA. ये करो वो करो. मतलब हाँ वो मैं करूँगा because I got into NCC. You know what is NCC?
No, what is
So NCC
NDA?
is National Cadet Corps. So NDA is National Defense Academy.
Okay.
So this is one of the schools you can say which you need to apply for. It is as tough as UPSC exams, and in fact NDA entrances happen through UPSC. अब का मुझे पता नहीं, उस टाइम का है. तो you have to prepare. It's a competitive exam. So you have to prepare. If there's a written, and once you clear that, you go into the selection board, which is called SSB, Service Selection Board, which is one of the most difficult ones to crack in the entire country. So very difficult. And if you get through, you directly get into the National Defense Academy, and they train you for many years. And then imagine you're getting in there as a teenager, right, 18 or something, and then you're studying there. So your graduation is basically there, and you're getting trained to become an army officer. You graduate that, you come out with 2 stars as a lieutenant. So to be that, you obviously need a lot of training prior to that, just like coaching for entrances of engineering.
Entrance exam के लिए.
हाँ, तो मेरा coaching ground था NCC, so National Cadet Corps. So it's like an army school again, but the school is the same where I was studying, but they have a parallel training happening, which gives you the opportunity to participate in Republic Day parades, Independence Day events and functions. Very strenuous, very, difficult, not easy at all, because आप पढ़ाई भी कर रहे हो, exams की भी तैयारियां कर रहे हो आप, and then you're also preparing yourself, and you're wearing that uniform at the age of 16, 17, and then you're doing the parades, and you're learning that, you're learning the rifle, the shooting, and a lot of things are there. Exactly how in army training it is. It may be a smaller version of that.
Okay.
वो किया मैंने because I wanted my dad to be happy.
How many years?
So that I did from the 7th grade till my 12th.
That was your extracurricular?
Yes, that was my extracurricular. So I did that from 7th till 12th, and then also in my college, first and second year, I did that. Okay. Now the beauty is, if you do NCC and you get cleared with certificate A, certificate B, and if you get in college certificate C, you don't need to write the exam for one of the entrances called CDS, which is Combined Defense Services Exam. If you miss NDA, that's the next stop.
Okay.
So that is another entry.
So the NDA sounds like the IIT of like
yes, the top notch.
Right?
Yeah.
Where is NDA? Like where is
Khadakwasala, which is in Maharashtra. So it's prestigious. It's most prestigious institution when it comes to armed forces in the country. And then comes CDS, which is Combined Defense Services, जिसके लिए आपको graduate होना ज़रूरी है. And then you need to again clear the written exam. But if you have C certificate, you get direct entry into the Service Selection Board. So you directly go to the interview panel.
Okay. Straight.
And the interview panel is where?
Oh my God, वहाँ पे तो जिंदगियाँ बर्बाद हो जाती हैं या बन जाती हैं. Because it's again very difficult.
Yeah.
So you're being interviewed by top ranking officers of army or navy or whatever your the cadre is. तो C certificate नहीं मिल पाया मुझे. I went all the way till A and B. C करते करते रह गया मैं. So तब तक मेरा जो है थोड़ा सा दिमाग हिल गया था. And understood this funda of that money is important,
Yeah.
and one needs to earn his own, share of income to gain that respect in the family and to contribute it. ये नहीं कि कमाया और उड़ा दिया,
Yeah.
कमा के देना घर पे.
जितना ला रहा है वो तेरी वैल्यू है.
ये वैल्यू. So you need to earn that.
Yeah.
तो वो मेरे भेजे में घुस चुका था. तो I started doing my first job at the age of 17, 18 something. I was in my first year. I used to do door-to-door sales.
Nice.
So I
What
did
was the
that.
product?
What was the product?
The product was, Hindustan Times, the newspaper.
yeah.
उनका एक subscription package होता था. So I used to sell that to various people. So we were given a certain like a list of apartments or villas to go to. And I used to
Database.
go.
So,
Gurgaon, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
this was in Gurgaon.
so did you like doing that, or was it like?
See, honestly,
Like you were just doing it for the money.
I was doing it for the money.
Money.
Money and also experience. Because each time I knocked a door and I met a person, a stranger, and I'm telling him, "Hi, my name is Joe. I'm representing Hindustan Times." And जब मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, that gave me a different sort of a high. मुझे बड़ा मजा आया वो करके. So even though it was not my passion,
Yeah.
but since I chose to do it, I did it passionately, 100%.
That's what increased your like learning. Like let's say if you go to door and go like, "Hi, I'm Joe. Hi, I'm Joe."
I'm
I do
introducing
this,"
myself.
Like, yeah,
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
introducing yourself every fucking time, right?
Absolutely. And that taught me a lot of things which became the foundational learning in my profession, in my career, in my life, even till today. And I think अगर मैं वो नहीं कर पाता या मैं वो choose नहीं करता, so maybe I would have not learned those things probably. But वो करके एक और चीज़ हासिल हुआ, वो ये है कि घर पे I got some value.
Yeah.
कि हाँ, अब ये लड़का मस्ती करने नहीं घूम रहा है, बाइक लेता है, सुबह सुबह 6 बजे निकलता है,
काम के लिए।
गुड़गांव जा रहा है, वसंत विहार से, साउथ दिल्ली से गुड़गांव जा रहा है, कर रहा है, आ रहा है दोपहर को कुछ 2 बजे, खाया पिया कुछ नहीं, कहाँ खाया पिया किसी को कुछ नहीं पता, सोया ढंग से है कि नहीं किसी को नहीं पता. वो आया, कपड़े चेंज करे, लंच खाया, कॉलेज निकल लिए, कुछ 1-2 क्लासेस जो भी करने थे वो कर लिए, आया, फिर कुछ खाया, फिर निकला बाइक लेके for finding to find jobs, voiceover jobs.
Nice.
That is how the struggle at that time
That's
began.
the ultimate struggle of an artist,
But
right?
like, did you have a
To
social
get job
life
for you.
at that time?
At that time, I didn't have a social life.
You didn't have a
I
social
didn't.
life because
I didn't even. It didn't even occur to me
yeah.
because for me, I was enjoying what I was doing so much. वही मेरी social life बन चुकी थी एक तरीके से.
So
like, this
I
is
have a
it.
question इस way में, ठीक है? So let's say you had no social life at that time,
Yeah.
ठीक है? And I'm assuming that also reflected in the work that you got for your voiceover jobs, right?
It sort of did because
Because that sort of goes hand in hand, right? Because the industry is such that you
Yeah.
need to be in touch with people.
Yes.
Socialize both.
Network.
बोल दो.
Network. Okay, so
It's just talking to
you're
other
using your
people.
social skills for something good.
yes. So I have always believed in this fact that your network is your net worth. You need to learn how to convert it. तुम्हें जितने लोग जानते हैं या तुम जितने लोगों को जानते हो, उस सर्कल के अंदर, उस नेटवर्क के अंदर उसको मोनेटाइज कर पाना सही तरीके से फॉर अ म्यूचुअल बेनिफिट, फॉर अपने बेनिफिट के लिए, फॉर उनके बेनिफिट के लिए, टू प्रोवाइड अ सर्विस टू देम, टू सेल समथिंग टू देम इफ द नीड बी.
Yeah.
Or for the simple fact that if they need something which you're selling, and if they should consider talking to you about it first,
Yeah.
just because you're there in your network, that was very important for me to do. So I kept doing that, and I tried, and rejections became the part of life.
That you're used to, I think, from the sales job.
From the sales job.
Yeah.
तो वो मुझे
hurt.
वो ट्रेनिंग मिली थी वहाँ से, वो करते करते, तो it was a journey of about 2 to 3 years before I felt that okay, now I'm getting somewhere. And then I used to earn that amount of money and then give it to my dad and then tell him, this is my share.
Fair.
तो करते करते he agreed कि हाँ बेटा अब ये मेरा कुछ और ही लाइन पकड़ रहा है, but still he insisted that I do a proper job, which is a full-fledged,
That's a
like
proper Indian
salaried
this
job.
thing, right? Like
Hence I got into call centers. So
वहाँ पे भी your job is to talk only, right?
so the language, I have always been passionate about languages as well. I loved Hindi, English, so I was good at it and I kept improving it. My father was he insisted that I improve my language. I don't know why he said that, but then at that time I thought
Because you
"ठीक है."
could be picked on, right? Like especially in a place like Delhi where
Yeah.
people are savages, they'll just come at you. Bro.
Yeah, and I'm originally from South, right? So if your Hindi is not good, then people will be like, "Bhai, kahan se aaya Madrasi hai ye?"
Exactly. Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so
I'm
true.
so
Huh?
glad someone.
लेकिन किसी ने मुझे मेरे से बात करके ये कभी कहा नहीं मुझे.
बाद में जब बताया like
जब मैंने बताया कि मैं यहाँ से हूँ, कहते, क्या बात कर रहा है बे? अबे तू तो लगता नहीं है यार. मेरे को तू तो यूपी का है. मैं ना भाई तू कहीं का भी समझ ले, मैं यहाँ का हूँ. मैं I'm an Indian.
wow. Yeah. But like so your dad would have obviously been like a patriot, right?
Oh yes.
Does that
yes.
follow through in you too, or
Yeah, to quite an extent, I would say, because see,
that's your upbringing, right?
that is the upbringing, that is the pedigree.
Exactly.
You see, so it's there in the DNA. So of course, so I am proud of the fact that I'm Indian. At the same time, there are many things about India which I don't like, which I don't really talk about much. But then I try to focus on the things which are good for the country, which is doing well. And having said that, I have not had the opportunity to travel across India. I've had, even though my dad was in the Air Force, we were moving around only 2 or 3 cities. That's it. Because he used to be the one who went, and did his job and came back. So I have seen Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Assam. That's it. And UP a bit, Punjab a bit. But given the choice, I would love to travel because that's my passion again, traveling. All across India would be great because there's so much to see in India.
too much.
Goa, for example, my first Goa trip was like last to last year.
No way.
Imagine, in spite of being in India. So वो मौका नहीं मिला मुझे थोड़ा because I was busy doing these things,
You were-
like
yeah.
काम ये वो to set myself.
You were busy earning respect for your dad.
Yes.
That I wouldn't term it as anything else like money.
Yes. No,
Because
that
that
is-
money like sort of translated to
Money
like,
has always been
respect.
secondary for me.
Yeah.
So it's a byproduct,
Has to be
right?
the respect.
Byproduct. That's
It's a
what I always
byproduct,
say. अगर कोई चीज कर रहे हो आप पूरी शिद्दत से, like शाहरुख खान says, like the alchemist say, कि भाई if you are doing something पूरे दिल से, पूरी लगन से, पूरी जुनून आग के साथ ना, पैसा आना ही आना यार. पैसा कहाँ जाएगा?
Yeah.
पैसा has to वो झक मार के आएगा. पैसा तुम्हें ढूंढ के आएगा.
Yeah.
But you need to learn the skills to monetize it from the air.
Yeah.
True.
So that is what it is.
Very true, man. So you came to Dubai when
So
did you
Dubai
reach here?
happened in 2015.
Okay.
Before that, I was in Oman. Again, a part of my job. So when I was in Delhi, this call center job, it exposed me to the field of training. So I became a call center trainer then.
Amazing.
Okay.
Then वहाँ से वो
वहाँ पे भी you
वहाँ पे
did
भी
your masters.
बातें ही तो करनी है. तो बातें करते करते मैं वहाँ पे ट्रेनर बन गया. I enjoyed it. I loved it. And then एक opportunity मिली ओमान में to again come as a training manager for a company. I did that. I was pretty young. It was great opportunity, good salary, good money. So I knew कि हाँ financial issues
Ticks
जो
the
हैं
boxes.
वो मैं हाँ ticks the boxes and I can send that home. But वहाँ पे भी रहते हुए I tried to carve my path for to become a voiceover artist. I became an anchor by mistake there. I mean, I didn't even plan for it. I did not even know that there is a profession called anchoring, hosting events. So somebody just told me कि भाई we have a event. Can you host it for us? I said, what do you mean? I mean, what do you mean? Host क्या होता है? कहते हैं, no, you have to present it. मतलब present क्या मतलब कुछ gift देना है किसी को? And I was so naive. I didn't know about this because I was in my own world, right?
Yeah.
मुझे बस voiceovers का पता है
हाँ.
और मुझे ट्रेनिंग का पता है.
But that's literally the first thing जो अगर कोई मेरे को भी बोले, right?
हाँ.
We've got a MC or a host.
हाँ,
right?
MC हम तो कुछ और होता है MC तो हमारे हिसाब से.
वही ना, like MC VC क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे यार? Like, what is the job profile like of this person, that person?
Yeah.
Like then when we spoke to Priya, Priya Jethani,
Yeah.
she told us like this goes into it like
Yeah,
तो
it is
अलग ही-
different.
दुनिया अलग है bro.
So
दुनिया अलग है.
anchoring is different, hosting is different, and MC, which is master of ceremonies, is actually different. They all have their own different behaviors and different ways to do it.
Oh.
That's again another level down.
बता देना please.
मैं बता. So when this happened to me, and I said, please explain to me what you want me to do. He said, see, you've got a great voice, you've got a good presence, you're good with people, you're confident. So we have a list of names that we want you to announce in a nice, fun way. And these are the people who are getting these awards. So, अच्छा ये भी होता है कोई चीज़. then I am relating that
To
to my reference point जो मैंने टीवी पे कभी shows नहीं देखे
awards.
नहीं वो तो वो उस टाइम पे था नहीं तो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइक न्यूज प्रोग्राम्स जो न्यूज एंकर अच्छा वो ये होता है ओके ओके कर सकते हैं नो प्रॉब्लम देन आई डिड इट मुझे बड़ा मजा आया मतलब ऑफ द बुक है सिर्फ नाम ही तो है मैंने पूछा कि भाई ये नाम के पीछे क्या है ये बंदा है मैं कह रहा हूँ कि भाई सो एंड सो इज देयर इसको इस बात का अवार्ड मिल रहा है लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट मिल रहा है अगर तो कुछ तो किया होगा वो क्या किया मुझे बता दो उसको मैं अपने हिसाब से बोल दूंगा सो दैट बिकेम माई कॉन्टेंट सो आई एंजॉयड डूइंग दैट व्हेन आई एंजॉयड डूइंग दैट somewhere in my mind it was like it is still public speaking I'm in front of people I am doing a role it is not my job I am taking up that job or that role for 3 hours so that is for me that is acting I'm an actor I will do that role of whatever you want to call it MC you want to call it anchor call it and I'm getting paid for it
Yeah.
That's a dream.
because even voiceover maybe every voiceover that I delivered whether it's for a cinema brand or whether it's for a car or whatever brand for me I'm playing a role because I'm not talking the way I'm talking right now right उसको script मिली है तो मैं बोलूँगा देखा ठंडे दिमाग से सोचने का फायदा so when I do that I'm playing a role
Your voice is straight up so great, man. How did it
so
so great?
that is playing a role and that satisfied the actor within me तो वो करते 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 I started enjoying it so much that I ended up hosting some really amazing shows there was a concert of Atif Aslam which had about 8,000 people it was great then I hosted some like live reality shows singing reality shows in Oman तो वहाँ पे मेरा वो गाने का भी शौक थोड़ा पूरा हो गया होस्ट करने का हो गया people were there it was fun antakshris this that so I started having this parallel thing you know job भी है ये भी है voice over भी है
Nice.
and Tino has to pay me money
Yeah.
I will not do anything for free see there's a big difference between being money minded as in being driven by money and being able to monetize your art तो I ensured that ये कमाई हो रही है यहाँ से ये दोनों करके कमाई हो रही है मेरी जॉब भी है द डे आई रियलाइज दैट दिस जॉब की जो सैलरी है उससे कहीं बेहतर मैं यहाँ पे कर सकता हूँ is when I quit the job. So 2015 I came here. And,
So at what level did you decide that? Like वो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. Like when you started, like क्योंकि ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं, there are tons of people who are doing two things, but they're still holding on to their job so hard and dear, whereas they should be doing the same thing for the
security.
Because of
So I'll tell you,
So
see,
कब
it's not
decide
all,
किया and how
it's,
does it work? Like
so it's not just all rosy.
yeah, exactly.
So there was a big fall. So 2010 is when I quit my job. At that time I was like, okay, you know what? ठीक है, कमा लेंगे यार, क्या सैलरी क्या है ये? इससे 3 गुना पैसे ही कमा लेते हैं. मैंने छोड़ दी. अब छोड़ दी, पैसे नहीं आ रहे, because सैलरी नहीं है.
हाँ.
अब पूरा दिन पड़ा आपके पास. यूजुअली आप शाम को बिजी होते थे. सुबह ऑफिस, अब सुबह का टाइम क्या करोगे आप? सो जो खालीपन है दिमाग का, that really bothers you. So like they say, you know, an empty mind is the devil's workshop unless you put it to work. So I didn't know what to do and I'm not from a business background. I'm from a service background. तो मुझे पता ही नहीं है और मैं क्या किसको रेफरेंस लेके चलूँ, किसको मैं आइडलाइज कर क्या सीखूँ, क्या करूँ. आई हैड नो आइडिया. आई वाज लाइक अ लॉस्ट चिकन, लाइक अ हेडलेस चिकन. धीरे धीरे आई थॉट, क्योंकि नेटवर्किंग भी अगर करनी हो तो उन लोगों से करनी है ना जिनके साथ काम मिलेगा. वो भी अवेलेबल है शाम को या वो भी कुछ काम और कर रहे हैं. तो धीरे धीरे ये रियलाइज हुआ कि इट इज़ नॉट एन ईजी टास्क टू डू. I need support of people. So I joined hands with 2-3 other people. I collaborated with other people. Then I built something again. So till that time, it was only me doing voiceovers as a voiceover artist. So I realized the importance of doing it as a business, not as a self-employed person. तो जब तक मेरी आवाज़ है माइक पे, पैसे मिल रहे हैं. अगर मैं माइक पे नहीं बोल रहा हूँ तो मुझे पैसे नहीं मिल रहे हैं. ये मुझे गवारा नहीं है. भाई पैसे तो आने चाहिए ना यूं. और उसके लिए बिजनेस करना जरूरी था. So I started collecting these voiceover artists whoever I met, and I started doing another very interesting thing, which is in Oman where all of this started, Muscat में they are all Arabic speakers, right? Mostly वहाँ पे तो इतने हैं नहीं ना Indians या other nationalities जितने यहाँ पे दुबई में है. So each and every person I met who had a great voice per se, or I'm not saying great voice means bass voice, who had a peculiar voice, let's say.
Okay.
I never shied in telling that person कि bro, I like your voice. Do you know what is voiceovers? No. Do you want to know what it is? It can earn you money. Like, acha. So I started creating opportunities to make those people voiceover artists. So आज तक अगर देखा जाए तो कुछ 40-50 लोग ऐसे होंगे मेरी लाइफ में जिनको एटलीस्ट एक या दो बार तो मैंने शुरू में अपॉर्चुनिटीज दी हैं, और कुछ ऐसे हैं जो आज तक काम कर रहे हैं वॉइस ओवर्स का. सो दैट फॉर मी वाज अ न्यू थिंग एंड दैट बिकेम अ बिजनेस कि अब मैं उसकी आवाज बेचूंगा.
Nice.
अपनी तो बेच ही रहे हैं.
कैटलॉग हो आवाज.
कैटलॉग.
Nice.
तुम्हें ये
Wait,
वाला
wait,
high
wait.
pitch
What about
चाहिए,
what about wait? What about my voice? See, can you like
See,
sing
no,
my
that,
voice?
again, so everyone has their own voice. Everyone it's a unique voice print. जिसको कहते हैं ना, unique होता है वो.
Yeah.
Anybody who wants to become a voiceover artist can become, but you need to learn the basics and the principles of what is voice acting. Because even when I'm doing a voiceover, there's a voice acting element to it, right? So you're playing a certain character. मुझे रोना है तो वो एक character play कर रहा हूँ मैं. अब हंसना या चिल्लाना है, जो भी है, emotions जो हैं आपके, जो in acting they say 9 emotions. So we need to bring that out through voice, and you don't have your face to shoot, right?
Yeah.
So that itself is very difficult.
Yeah.
So in communication they say your body language is the most important, the biggest part of it.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then your tone of voice.
Yeah.
Only 7% importance is given to words you speak. So you can master that language, no problem. If it's your language, you can master
Delivery,
it.
right?
It's the delivery of how you do it, and it makes it even more difficult when there is no body language to be seen, but it should be felt.
Wow.
Wow.
So I started also doing voiceover workshops for people. So
Amazing.
I started making money out of that as well. तो ज़रूरी था ना, I need to learn how to monetize my skills.
Amazing.
So धीरे धीरे करते करते I realized कि हाँ, still there was a time in life in 2013 when things didn't go in the right manner. I had to expand, and if I wouldn't expand, I can't continue. वो वाली बात हो गई थी.
Stuck.
हाँ, तो I was
Sustain
stuck.
नहीं कर सकते.
Sustain नहीं कर सकते. Because see, I come from a family which is very lower middle class. पैसे की हमेशा तंगी रही है. Financial issues अपने रहे हैं. My father, even after he quit the Air Force job, there were a lot of issues. So and I'm the son who has to take care of it. तो वो मेरी जिम्मेदारी थी, and I thought okay, अब जॉब करनी पड़ेगी फिर से. So I went back into jobs.
Amazing.
I had to do that. I was not happy about it, and I was not getting the job that I really wanted also, because 3-4 साल का gap आ गया ना.
Yeah.
So and the market is ruthless.
Yeah.
तो फिर वो गलती हुई कि भाई अब जो मिला उठा लिया टाइप्स. तो anyways that
That comes under desperation.
वो desperate हो गया था मैं. I was desperate.
Yeah.
This is the
Bills
part
pay करने.
what you were telling us, right? ये जो 10 when you left the job.
Yeah.
Like how you was talking about it earlier, right?
Yeah.
Like, and then I left my job and then
Yeah.
I did this.
Yeah.
No one fucking understands what happens when you actually left the job. उसके बाद there is a fucking period of 3 to 4 years of like
Absolutely.
building yourself to the point where then you can start like.
And like they say, there's so much of research on this, so much of case studies, that it's not about starting a business, it's about sustaining it.
Yeah.
80% of the startups finish or fail in the first year itself. And out of the 20%, which is the rest of it, hardly few survive for the first 5 years. They all wither off. And then बचे कितने? गिने चुने जो आगे they cross the 7-year mark. So this is big learning for me. I was disheartened. Because there was nobody to guide. There's no godfather. There is no कोई है ही नहीं बताने वाला.
Point of reference ही नहीं.
कोई है ही नहीं. जितने हैं सब साले जॉब कर रहे हैं, या कोई सर्विस कर रहा है, कोई वो कर रहा है, ये कर रहा है, और हर कोई बंदा ताने ही मार रहा है. मैं तू पागल था, इतनी अच्छी सैलरी थी तेरी, और ब्लडी मैनेजर, ये वो तूने छोड़ दिया, तू पागल है. सो हिम्मत कहीं से नहीं मिल सकती थी, बिकॉज नोबडी वाज देयर टू सपोर्ट. At that time, to find your peace, to find your inspiration from within, from somewhere here, was very challenging. And I would say there were time, of course, family, personal life, maybe issues the, kuch idhar udhar relationships, ye wo sab hua, which I don't even talk about now. So it was making me more and more sad. And I was quite depressed, and I'm a very emotionally driven person.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm not really one of those logical thinkers. I'm an emotional thinker. मैं दिल से सोचता हूँ.
Fair.
जिस चीज में मजा आया मैंने किया, जिस में मजा नहीं आया मतलब भाड़ में जाए.
एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा होना चाहिए,
हाँ,
राइट?
एक फील एक्सपीरियंस होनी चाहिए.
वही.
So for me that matters. वो करते करते फिर जॉब लिया मैंने, and that job got me to Dubai. So when I came here 2015 to 2017, those 2 years is when I realized कि यार ये jobs, और यहाँ again लगन के साथ काम करने की एक बीमारी थी मुझे. So मैं passionately काम कर रहा हूँ, and that was also somewhat related to training and education now. So education into apps and online learning and all that. Then I realized यार मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मतलब जॉब कर रहा हूँ और वो भी मतलब 18 घंटे कर रहा हूँ, 16 घंटे पागलों की तरह मैं घिस रहा हूँ. सैलरी मिल रही है अच्छी खासी, नो प्रॉब्लम, अग्रीड. पर मुझे तो कुछ और बनना था. मुझे तो साला एक्टर बनना था यार. यहाँ पे मैं कहाँ फंस गया?
चेक पॉइंट चाहिए. व्हाट इज द एम ऑफ लाइफ? पर्पस क्या था?
पर्पस क्या था? क्योंकि अब तो मैं वॉइस ओवर्स भी नहीं कर पा रहा था, बिकॉज जॉब ही टाइम नहीं है. सोता भी कम था, खाता भी कम था, रहता भी ऐसे ही, मतलब ऐसे था, पता नहीं कैसी सिचुएशन में रहता था मैं. सो इट रियली बॉदर्ड मी, इट शुक मी फ्रॉम इनसाइड. देन वन फाइन डे in 2017 I took a very big leap of faith without, and by the way till 2017 even though I spent 2 years in UAE at that time, उससे पहले भी मैं UAE में आया हूँ, आता जाता रहता था. I didn't have even one friend in UAE, not even one, एक भी नहीं था.
इसलिए तो वॉइस ओवर नहीं मिल रहा था.
कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था मुझे.
नहीं मिल रहा था ना, सिर्फ वो जो
यार अब ये क्या. बट इतना ज़्यादा हो गया था दिल के अंदर, वो भार बन गया था, बोझ बन गया था. एंड आई वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, दिस इज नॉट हैपनिंग. I need to get back into my own thing. At least when I was doing voiceovers and doing some events and hosting and anchoring and all of that, I was really happy inside. I wouldn't mind still giving 10 hours to a job because I know this recharges me.
Yeah.
I need to get back to this, and this time I'm gonna just get back to it again full time. उसके लिए जॉब छोड़नी पड़ेगी. मैं पहुंच गया अपने बॉस के पास, मैंने बोला सर आई एम लीविंग दिस जॉब. ओ उसको झटका लगा, इसे पागल है तू. पागल है. लोग जॉब के लिए मर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, वीज़ा के लिए मर रहे हैं, तुझे वीज़ा मिला हुआ है, अच्छी खासी जॉब, यू आर एट अ गुड पोजिशन, सैलरी इज़ वेरी गुड. एंड बाय दैट टाइम आई वॉज ऑलरेडी प्रमोटेड. सो इन ओमान आई वॉज अ ट्रेनिंग मैनेजर. I became a group training head, and there was a big group of companies. Then I became a general manager here. I became an executive director in that company. In 5 years, 5 promotions.
You worked your ass off.
I was crazy because मुझे perfection चाहिए. जो मैं कर रहा हूँ पूरे लगन से करना है मुझे. I want people to say कि इसको इससे बेहतर नहीं कर सकते थे. और वो बंदा छोड़ रहा है जॉब. तो उसकी फट गई.
उसकी तो फटनी थी. His example is fucking off.
And we had there were a lot of staff, team बहुत बड़ी थी. तो anyways वो हुआ, but वो मैंने leap of faith किया. I sold him the idea that I need to leave.
Wow.
I sold him the idea.
To leave.
So I sold him the idea that if something goes wrong, I will be back.
Okay. Fair.
And I meant it. So
But he never called you, right?
what happened was even better. So he said, okay, तेरे पास वीज़ा तो है नहीं, so do one thing, keep the visa. जब तक है, expire होता है, कर ले. Test the waters. Because बेटा मैं यहाँ पे कई सालों से हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे अच्छे खासे जो है ना यहाँ पे टिक नहीं पाते हैं.
नहीं, but
तू कर ले.
That's amazing.
सपोर्ट भी था, चैलेंज भी था. और चैलेंज तो मैं कभी भी ले लेता हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम. भाई दिल्ली से है भाई. तो मतलब वही ले लेते हैं.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how Delhi are you actually from inside?
So when it comes to
अंदर की बात बता. Just give me a number. मैं पूछूंगा नहीं क्या क्यों.
let's say 7 on 10.
7 or 10.
Yeah, 7 on 10.
And how much is Dubai?
अब दुबई तो 100% हो चुका है भाई.
100%.
Because क्योंकि दुबई ही है, I would say I would give all the credit to Dubai for giving me that platform, for teaching me so many things about business, about this passion of mine which actually became a profession in Dubai. वहाँ पे वो passion ही था, वो एक hobby था which paid me money. But here it became a business because when I quit my job, I had to start my company. Because without a company, I would be a freelancer. मुझे freelancer नहीं बनना था because freelancing मैं कर चुका हूँ ना वहाँ पे.
हाँ.
मुझे अपना वजूद चाहिए था. I wanted a company on my name जहाँ people would respect me for who I am as an artist. भले मैं एक बंदा हूँ उस कंपनी में. तो वो मुझे यहाँ मौका मिला. कंपनी खोलने के लिए जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं यहाँ पे, फ्री जोन है, इट इज ईजी टू ओपन अ कंपनी, यू गॉट 5,000 dirhams, you can open a company. And I by that time I realized also कि भाई कंपनी खोलनी बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं होती. आप क्रेडिट कार्ड स्वाइप करो, कल आपकी कंपनी ट्रेड लाइसेंस शुरू हो जाएगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. लेकिन उसको चलाना भी तो आना चाहिए ना. बिजनेस में से पैसा निकालना, बनाना,
लेवल तक तो पहुंचो.
to churn it is the skill. तो वो करा, and that's when I met my wife. So when I was literally like वो jump मार लिया.
Good things started happening to you.
हाँ, all the good things after that happened when I met her. After that only, because even though I was good with the traditional kind of selling and marketing, I was not good with the so-called the new trend of marketing, which is digital.
Yeah.
That's where she came in, because हम randomly ऐसे मिले थे एक जगह पे, तो strangers, you know. तो बात से बात निकली थी, तो she said क्या करते हो ये वो. मैंने कहा मैं देखो फिलहाल तो जॉबलेस हूँ by choice, because I quit, I want to become an actor. तो यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो तुम? तुम्हें तो वहाँ होना चाहिए, बॉम्बे में. नहीं, मुझे एक्टर तो चल बनना ही है, वो तो अब ख्वाब है, बट उससे पहले मुझे कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी करनी है जिससे मैं पैसे कमा सकूँ, टू इवन सस्टेन एज अ स्ट्रगलिंग एक्टर. अच्छा, वो कैसे करोगे? उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हो? मतलब उसके लिए मैं एंकरिंग करता हूँ, होस्टिंग करता हूँ, उसको भी नहीं पता ये सारी चीज़ें क्या होती हैं. सो वो हुआ, मैंने वॉइस ओवर्स का तो वो भी नहीं पता उसको. मतलब ये सारी चीज़ें मैं करता हूँ. ओह वेरी गुड, तो ये दिखाओ मुझे कुछ. अब दिखाने के लिए मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था, तो दिस इज व्हेन आई रियलाइज कैटलॉग नहीं है. तो भाई जो मेरे कैटलॉग से बनाए थे मैंने, वो तो व्हाट्सएप के मैसेजेस में है मेरे पास. तो उसने बोला नो 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 नो, you're too old fashioned for this. Said if you really want to do this on your own, you want to make it big, you need to put your skill out there, your work out there for people to see and recognize and then call you to do that. अब ये कैसे होगा भाई? अब वो है गुजराती, तो उसका गुज्जू दिमाग चल पड़ा.
Of course.
You just signed up with like a blank check for yourself. ये मेरा पैसा है, जितना भरना है भर दो. It's fine.
तो ये हुआ, and then so she started the digital presence for Joe Mohan, and we coined the name Voice Guy Joe because आवाज ही पहचान है. तो वहाँ से वो शुरू हुआ. After a few months, 3-4 months, धीरे धीरे काम आना लगा. She did a lot of digital marketing and you know this that. धीरे धीरे काम आने लगा, तो उसने बोला you know what, I'm quitting my job. तो she quit her job also.
Wow.
So we
कोई गुज्जू के साथ मिलवा दे भाई. Like we just need one presence of a gujju and then the money starts rolling in. Bro.
So we both quit our jobs. And then we were 24/7 together. And honestly speaking, we started as friends. Because as friends, it was just an energy exchange. And she felt that she could, you know, her services could help me. It was literally a barter deal.
Wow.
Because I used to do barter part. मेरी तरफ से ये था कि भाई I will do marketing for your services of digital
When
media.
you go out for your.
हाँ, and I will get you clients.
Amazing.
तो उसके पास कुछ clients अगर हैं already, तो उसको presentation मैं दिखाता था. Close मैं करता था उसको.
Wow. Because you have the presence, voice.
तो मैंने अपने स्किल्स को वहां यूज कर लिए,
Fair.
इसने अपने स्किल्स को यहाँ यूज कर लिए, दोनों को जोड़ के जो बना, वहां से वो कंपनी बनी कॉल्ड JK7 Services.
Wow.
So J is me, K is Kejo, 7 is my lucky number.
Wow, dude. Wow. ये क्या बोल दिया इसने?
अब कुछ लोग जानने लग गए इस कंपनी को भी.
No man, like
But,
obviously
yeah.
it's gonna do well. मेरे को भी पता चला है, तो I'm sure like a lot of people.
So yeah, so that's the business part of it, and touch wood, we started in 2020 officially, but before that itself, you know, things were there. So 2020 लगा लो 4 साल, करीब 5-6 साल हो गए इस चीज़ को, and then it's going fine, it's growing.
Nice.
Now the team is growing.
Amazing.
Now there is a specific set of people who take care of certain things. So ये सारी चीज़ें धीरे धीरे, and I must say that even though my wife is not from business background, उसके family में भी not all Gujjus are business people,
fine,
right?
because of blood
But
में,
then
bro, it's fine.
कहीं ना कहीं उसके DNA में है वो.
Yeah.
तो the business ideas के कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं, भाई इसको इस तरह से करना चाहिए, उसको वो that comes from her, and I never question it. मैं अपनी क्रिएटिव पार्ट जो है, उस चीज़ को किस तरह से परफेक्ट करना है, वो मैं अपना लगा देता हूँ. बाकी हम लोग जो है करते हैं. नाउ वी हैव वन मोर बिजनेस व्हिच इज टू डू विद पेट्स.
Wow.
So this was her passion.
All the people here are pet owners, by the way.
So now
How does that
every
work?
pet owner has one challenge in life. When we travel, what would we do with the pets?
Yeah.
Correct. So this is where that business happened. Where again another friend of ours. So together we were just having a coffee table discussion. And generally, हमें भी कहीं जाना था, तो we have a dog, right? So Kia, and they also have a dog. तो यार इनको कहाँ रखें, ये बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है यार. एंड दीज आर बिग डॉग्स एंड दे ओनली यूज्ड टू ह्यूमंस, यू नो, दे नीड दैट अटेंशन फुल टाइम. सेपरेशन एंजाइटी हो जाती है इनको. हम छोड़ दें 2 मिनट, हम बाथरूम चले जाए तो हमारे साथ आ जाए. सो तो लाइक ऐसा कोई सर्विस होना चाहिए where people come to your place and be with them, like babysitting,
Home sitting.
pet sitting.
Pet sitting.
Because I didn't want to send my pet to a kennel, to a place where they would cage. They will cage a dog or
I
a
have a
cat.
huge problem with that. Like, even when
Exactly.
when we send Taras for grooming, we make sure कि you call us 15 minutes prior, so we'll come, so you don't have to put them in the cage.
Exactly. So yeah, because they're not okay with that, and it's very unfitting for us. So we all four decided कि कुछ करते हैं इसका. तो इसकी भी बत्ती जली. She was like, because she's always wanted to do something related to pets.
Yeah.
But ये clarity उस discussion में आया. So now we have a business called Pawland, which is Paw. Pawland.
Pawland.
The land of paws. So I don't have any active role to play in Pawland except the voiceovers and some creative bit here and there. But these 3 are running the business.
Dude,
So
that's
Kajal and there is a friend of ours called Sharath. Sharath and his wife Skanda. So they are the thickest of friends. We all are, and they also, both of them, Skanda and Kajal, happen to be the best friends. Amazing. So ये चल पड़ा, and it's been about, this is I think the third year, yeah. And we are already ranking number 1 in UAE.
Would you recommend doing business with friends?
Why not? I mean,
Why is
but
there like a...
well, it comes with a disclaimer.
Yeah. बताओ disclaimer दो, please सबको बताओ.
See, लोग कहते हैं ना, दोस्ती में पैसा नहीं आना चाहिए, या दोस्तों के साथ बिजनेस नहीं करना चाहिए, या घर पे बिजनेस नहीं करना चाहिए. प्रॉब्लम बिजनेस करने में नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम है हाउ ट्रांसपेरेंट यू आर, हाउ ऑनेस्ट यू आर, व्हाट्स योर इंटेग्रिटी क्वोशंट, how raw and transparent you are in that relationship. भाई बहुत जरूरी है ये. And how transparent you are on expectations कि भाई तुम मुझसे expect क्या कर रहे हो. I may be good at 100 things, but उस 100 चीजों में से मैं सिर्फ 20 चीजें लगा सकता हूँ बिजनेस के लिए. बाकी तुम्हारे अंदर है तो तुम लगाओ, नहीं है तो दूसरे को हायर करो. Let's have a clarity. Or there is no relationship in this world which can survive even 99% transparency. It needs 100%. Relationship, business, सब एक ही है. Transparency and trust. वो कहते हैं ना, ट्रस्ट तो अर्न करना पड़ता है. झूठ है. ट्रस्ट बन के आता है भाई पहले से ही. When you go to a shop, when you buy a बैटरी तुम खाली थोड़ी लेके आते हो घर पे कि हम चार्ज करके बिल्ड करेंगे उसको. बैटरी वैसी आती है 100% पे. तुम्हारे ऊपर है तुम कितना यूज करो, कितना खर्च हो रहा है उसमें से. So if you make a mistake, that trust factor goes down to 99. You make another mistake, 98. It goes down, but it has to start at the top. And each time you make a mistake, it has to be a confrontation where you sort it out and just move on. And you take the decision which is best for your friendship first and business second.
Damn.
Yeah.
Very important. We follow this because there are hundreds of things in the business which we never thought of. And it keeps cropping up every day. इधर उधर से कुछ ना कुछ उठ के.
कुछ निकलता रहता है.
और तू मैं हो जाती है भाई.
I want a certain thing, and you want a certain thing. And so when it's a business thing, you create a environment in a way where whatever is the most logical thing.
हाँ, उसको fit करने
we
की
have
कोशिश.
to. That's the game. That's the game.
Yeah, true.
But जब friendship में आती है, then it's sort of a mixed feeling. Feelings भी आ जाते हैं बीच में.
तो
like, so.
these are the things where these are the situations where I always say कि भाई ऐसा है, ये जो काम था, ये अगर लेना है, नहीं लेना है, इसको इस तरह से करना है, नहीं करना है, इसको लेके अगर हमारे बीच में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है ना, मैं ऐसे 10 चीज फेंक दूं. Because for me, you are important.
This connection is more.
This is more important. This is real.
Yeah.
भाई अपन साथ मिलके कुछ और पैदा कर लेंगे.
Yeah.
यही करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Yeah.
Fair.
So that's the way I deal.
Amazing. So you're doing business with like the closest people of yours.
I travel with them. We travel everywhere. All vacations we take together because we like the presence of each other. We have that vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am friendly with 100,000 people probably, but then I vibe with few people who I can trust. मेरे लिए वो बहुत बड़ी चीज है.
That's true.
कुछ भी हो, मेरे को सामने से कह दो कि भाई ये तू ऐसा है, मेरे को ये चीज तेरी पसंद नहीं है.
हाँ.
मैंने ठीक है भाई, बता दे क्या पसंद नहीं, मैं अभी बदल देता हूँ यार तेरे लिए, तू बोल. आई एम लाइक दैट.
But पीठ पीछे नहीं बोलेगा.
पीठ पीछे नहीं बोलने का.
Yeah.
या बोलना है तो चल बोल दे.
Yeah.
नहीं पता फिर वो क्लैरिटी नहीं रही ना फिर.
I'm more like on the face. Like,
It's
ये है
always
bro,
good, bro.
देख ले.
Always
तेरे
good.
ऊपर है.
मैं तो सामने, और मुझे लोग कहते हैं बड़ा टेम्परामेंटल है कि भाई रो जाता है या गुस्सा कर देता है. मैं हूं ऐसा. मुझे कोई चीज अगर पसंद नहीं आती तो मैं बोलूंगा देख यार, देख भाई ये गलत है यार, ये नहीं हो सकता. तू क्यों पीछे पड़ा है इसके? या तो तू मुझे कन्विंस कर, चल कन्विंस कर, लॉजिक बता मुझे.
Now the logic comes.
बाय, हाँ तू बाय इन ले मेरे से. हाँ ओके, मैं ऐसे करना चाहता हूँ, ये ऐसा ऐसा है, तू समझा दे मुझे ना. मेरी समझ के बाहर अगर कोई चीज,
Understand.
make me understand. And I think that is the basis of every relationship, right? Not just you know. So whether it's Raghav, Ronak, or whether it's Joe, I think everyone has their own set of relationships, and businesses are also relationships. Be it with client, always, even with clients, I'm crystal clear कि सर ये जो चीज आप कह रहे हो ना, ये हो नहीं सकता है. जो चीज नहीं हो सकती उसके अंदर भी मैं इतना करके दूंगा, ये मेरी गारंटी है. जो चीज नहीं हो सकती मैं आपको बोलूंगा नहीं कि हाँ हो जाएगा, नहीं होगा भाई. वो दिल्ली वाला एटीट्यूड है भाई, हो जाएगा है, हो जाएगा.
वही दिल्ली वाला वो हो जाता है.
इसलिए मैंने वो 7 out of 10 बोला, वो 3 नहीं है मेरे अंदर.
Fair. The thing is, I want to talk so much more, but time खत्म हो गया यार.
Oh really?
Really.
Oh my God.
1 घंटा हो गया.
Time just flew by.
Time flew by, bro. मुझे अभी और पता करना था of like some few other things. But next time पता करेंगे.
No problem. There's always the next time.
Always the next time, bro. And you're always welcome back here. How was your experience? बता दे थोड़ा.
I feel that I've known you for a long time, even though I have just met you. You know, that is very important. क्योंकि वो एक comfort, trust, एक vibe, एक transparency जो मुझे दिखती है, and I believe in that frequency exchange. So वो बहुत ज़रूरी है, and I felt good. In fact, I wanted to know so much about you also. मैं इससे पूछ भी रहा था रौनक से, भाई तुम और क्या करते हो, ये क्या करते हो.
Exactly.
It's always to getting to know about people. It's always good. तो
Get more clarity as we just spoke.
हाँ, and then you never know when, in what way we can add value to each other's life.
True.
It could be just a small conversation. Lekin you would take home something out of it. I would take home something
I've taken
out
a
of it.
few things already, bro.
So
एक और बार देखूंगा तो और 2-3 चीज I'll pick up.
definitely, and yeah, so we should always do this. It's always about learning, and then let's keep doing this. And all the best for the show, WTV.
WTV.
What's the vibe?
I love the way you said it, man. I love the way you say most things, to be honest.
भाई आवाज ही बचाने इसी की खाते हैं.
You want to sign out for us, bro? I really would like to see how it's done, so I can start copying that from next time.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Give me a demo, bro, please.
A
Sign us
demo?
up.
Okay, well, if you're looking for some real content, something which is from दिल से एकदम बिल्कुल मन की बात दिल के अंदर से ज़बान के through, you need to subscribe to WTV, where follow them on Instagram and YouTube, wherever they are. And Ronak, Ronak and Raghav, they're doing a great job. And check these guys out; they're amazing. And I will see you soon.
No, wait 1 second. You can call him as well for being a host, MC, acting jobs, anything else regarding that. Contact him. If you want to open a business, contact his wife. But yeah, that's been Joe Mohan, guys. Thank you so much. Cheers. Peace out. That's What's the Vibe with Raghav and Ronak. Bye.